Come along with me to work the night shift as a dispatcher at one of the largest 911 centers in the country. Here I am, arriving to work around 6:15 p.m. to check the squad lineup for where I'll be sitting for the night. Roll call starts at 6:30, and once we are dismissed, we head down to the operations floor and take our positions. I'll be sitting as a call taker for the first part of my shift, and here is a quick little console tour. I have 2 keyboards for the 5 monitors that are just out of view of the camera. Here is our EMD guide cards that help gather information for responders and provide callers experiencing any sort of medical emergencies with pre-arrival instructions. Our cards range from trouble breathing, falls, CPR, and even childbirth. We have a 988 reference card to utilize for callers that may be experiencing a behavioral health crisis that does not require police assistance. We have 2 mouses and a keypad, and let me tell you, it is always freezing in here, so I have to have my heater on. I've worked here for going on 5 years, and I'm a fire dispatcher, service desk operator, impound operator, call taker trainer, and now an academy instructor. We work 12.5-hour shifts for 14 scheduled days a month with every other weekend off and some mandated overtime. One of the best and personally my favorite perk of my job is the frequent visits we get from our canines. This is Luna, who is one of our bloodhounds, and she is just the goodest girl. She gave us lots of kisses and even vacuumed our floors. We have a fairly large wellness center just steps away from our operations floor that we are allowed to use during short breaks or designated wellness time. Although I don't use the gym as much as I should, I have a lot of friends that do, so good for them. I, however, like to spend most of my breaks talking to my friends or taking naps. Next, I'll show you a private room designated for mothers at our agency that can be utilized at any time during the shift. And here's a quick glance at our quiet room that can be used to decompress, relax, or just have some quiet time to yourself after a call. Here is a view of our fire pod with some of our fire dispatchers. This is an aerial view of our entire operations center with our call taking and police pods. We have a full functioning kitchen that is available for use throughout the shift if needed. In one shift, call takers and dispatchers speak to many different people, ask a lot of different questions, and go through many different emotions. Utilizing resources such as interpreters, text to 911, and peer support are all a part of the job. Well, shift is almost over, so gotta hydrate, and there is always time for an end of shift happy dance, so here is mine. On the way out, I stopped to say hi to our assistant director, Drew, and our director, Scott. They are both so kind and open, and we are so lucky to have them. Well, thanks for coming along the night shift with me, and I hope you have a great night, or a good day. You know what I mean.